here's another tutorial about how to design an Instagram puzzle feed in the free version of Canva. If after this video you still need help with the branding of your social media accounts, check the links in the description. Click on Create Design, Custom Dimensions. Write 3000 by 4000 pixels if you want 4 rows of content. Go to Elements and add a square, drag its corners until the height and width are 1000 pixels. Make its opacity lower. Copy the square and paste it a few times the way I did. We are using these squares as guidance. Each square represents a post. Now go to Elements, Frames and choose some frames that you like. You can choose the ones I did. I wanted a phone over 2 posts. And the others are just some random shapes, but I think they look pretty cool. Now go to Elements and write Winter. I found a cup that will represent 1 post. Now I'm adding some typical Christmas flowers. For a better look, click right and choose Send Backward. You can use whatever winter element you like. What you see here is just a suggestion. Now add some text. Change the line height if you find it necessary. Now copy it and paste it. Of course, you can write whatever you want. I suggest to copy-paste so you can keep the full style of the text. Now go to Upload Media. I already uploaded my photos, and just drag them over the frames you already used. If you don't like a photo, feel free to change it. Go to Filter and add to each photo a filter. This step is not mandatory. Now delete the black squares. Select them and press Delete on your keyboard. I decided to delete one of the winter elements. Go again to Elements and add a few more if you think your design needs more. Feel free to make as many adjustments as you want. When designing something, it's all about creativity. Subscribe for more social media designs.